John, it's great to have you back on InvestorStream following Tuesday's critical milestone with YPB's MotifMicro technology. I'd like to start broadly, if I may. On your website, you describe MotifMicro technology as the ultimate counterfeit killer. What makes this technology so cutting edge?
Thanks, Alex. Look, it's because it's invisible, can't be reproduced, is easy to incorporate into inks, varnishes, etc. that manufacturers use to make packaging, and it is smartphone readable. So MotifMicro becomes part of the DNA of a product. Some of the other killer things about MotifMicro are that it's really cost effective and won't slow down production lines, which, by the way, is extremely important to keep down manufacturing costs and packaging costs. And because authenticity triggers engagement, MotifMicro can create a link between the brand and consumer to form a one-on-one relationship. YPB is also seeing the rise in counterfeit QR codes in China especially. They are rampant and foresaw the need for MotifMicro to work almost as a two-factor authentication process to protect the consumer from scanning a fake QR code. So really it is a category killer.
John, in your release, you mentioned that your early adopting development partners, PanPass, which is China's largest security label printer, and OPP, a leading Thai commercial printer, have been eagerly awaiting this development. What's the go-to market strategy with these partners?
Look, PanPass and OPP are both very important initial adopters for MotifMicro because they've been working with us to get the MotifMicro on their print technology. So, for example, we've done a lot of trials now with PanPass. We know exactly how to put it into their printing process, which is one of the keys to success of this, and also with OPP successfully made shrink wrap, which is one of their big products. So PanPass printing around 15 billion security documents a year, and it's also a really key player in the contract manufacturing space. The go-to-market strategy is for them to take now to their customers, and it's the same as how we work with, for example, Nature One Dairy, who package for other manufacturers on our Connect platform. They will take it to their end brands. They produce labels for some of the biggest brands in the world. And OPP will also take it to their brands. And we will now be able to give pricing, show them apps, have the coverage of Android and iOS. And as we develop contracts in the rollout of MotifMicro, these two partners really are going to be the ones that will give other packaging partners confidence to take up the MotifMicro technology.
John, you're developing the second generation MotifMicro app, and there's a reference in your announcement to smartphone readability being dependent on AI, or artificial intelligence. How does AI fit in with what YPB and your partners are doing?
So the way that the new MotifMicro app works is really innovative. The user is guided with their smartphone on how to scan where the MotifMicro is embedded in the packaging. The app then takes control of the camera and the flash of the phone to excite the invisible MotifMicro material. The images then are analysed using a proprietary artificial intelligence algorithm, which is based on machine learning, and it deciphers if the material is there or not and gives a report whether it's real or fake. AI, or artificial intelligence, is the technology driving so many aspects of our daily lives, and huge tech firms are investing billions of dollars annually into artificial intelligence. The development of our AI machine learning capability in our low-cost Bangkok operation means we can speed the development of a hot technology really cost-effectively, and this really creates ease of use for the customer. It creates the ability for brands to now interact through the smartphone, and it's a really cool way and a new way, I might add, of creating authenticity, triggering engagement globally.
Thanks, John. We'll certainly be keeping tabs on how this develops, but congratulations on the announcement and really appreciate your time today. All the best.
Thanks, Alex.